So attention is our new economy, but how do we use it correctly? Because social media and personal branding is really booming right now. Since like half a year to a year, everybody's starting a personal brand. The supply is going up, the demand is not really rising anymore. So the saturation in the market is really going up. For that you have to become unique. I've already did a video on that, so maybe if you want to check that out, you can go to the link in the description. But right now I just want you to know that uniqueness is really important for your value as a personal brand right now. But what do I really want to say in this video? So social media is treated like a treadmill these days, like a rat race. Like you always have to be on time and create, and your followers are going to miss you, and just like it's a liability. But you can treat media, especially social media, as an asset, and especially on YouTube. And I want to show you why and how. So why is this important? Do you want to run after the content creation and always have to hustle and bustle about creating the newest video on the trending topic? Or do you just want to stick to your audience, get valued members in your community, build a trusted brand, and thrive over the long term? I guess you would choose the second option if someone gave you the offer like this. So treat it like an asset. What do I mean by that? Build a true system that links your content together, so it creates an ecosystem. From one video they want to watch another one, from one post they want to read another one. Link to your other posts, link to your main site if you have one, link to a community that gets people invested in you. Create a funnel to one video that is really important to you. If you have a centerpiece of content that you've spent a lot of time on and that you are really proud of, and a lot of people have already watched it, link in all of your other videos to this one video. If it gets clicked, your video that was the first one that got clicked will get a boost by YouTube, for example, and the one that is watched, that you want the people to watch afterwards, also get a boost. So if you do that multiple times, your whole channel is elevating to a second level. Don't neglect that. Really keep people in your ecosystem once they're here. And know your media. So know the difference between long form and short form. Long form is way more valuable than short form content. If people watch an 11-minute video or a 20 or 30-minute video of you talking and explaining something to them that is really valuable to them, it's way more in the trust building and connecting area than a short form clip that is maybe just a clip of you in your daily lifestyle, or maybe putting on some clothes or going out for lunch. That's not building an audience, that's just sharing how good your life is. You can provide value on TikTok and Instagram and YouTube Shorts for sure, but use it as a traffic source to your long form content. Those also can be LinkedIn posts or X threads. Those are also long form content, or a newsletter. I will do a video on that separately, but newsletter is your own audience. Really keep that in mind. Start a newsletter. But that's just a side note. So know those differences, know how you can use it as an asset so that every new content piece that you produce feeds the whole ecosystem and not just is a one-off piece that just stands there. Align your values with the platforms. Really get in sync with them, know them deeply, study the algorithms and use it as your advantage. So with that being said, keep building.